Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can get a selected value of the drop down. So basically what we do here, we just in a runtime we select another value from the drop down, then time show one alert pop up and alert pop up show current selected value. Now for that we are add one action. Now add action, and that action I add pop-up alert, information alert, right? And here selected value selected, and value is here widget state is drop down. Now close and save the project. Now I am going to browser for reload this project. When I click on instant reload, then projects changes are reflected here. Now project is started. PHP. Now PHP is selected. Now I select JavaScript, then JavaScript is selected. So this way we can get the drop down value in a Flutterflow.